Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use TinyTask in Roblox Anime Vanguard. Full guide. Open TinyTask and set the record and playback speed before recording your sequence. Make sure Roblox runs in a consistent window size and resolution to avoid input mismatch. Keep recording short at first, then extend once playback is reliable. Test different playback speeds and add small pauses for charged moves so actions align correctly during combat. Open TinyTask and pick a comfortable hotkey for recording and playback to streamline your workflow. When recording, intentionally include short delays to match dodge and attack windows in the game. Avoid excessive mouse movement unless the sequence requires it, and keep the camera steady for reliable results. Save each macro with a descriptive name so you can reuse or tweak it later without confusion or risk of overriding useful recordings. Thanks for watching so far, and if this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a long-lasting fresh scent in your car, perfect when you're hopping between matches or testing macros on the go. I find a pleasant-smelling ride keeps focus and morale up during long sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When playing back, start at low speed to confirm the macro behaves as expected, then increase gradually for efficiency. If actions misalign, trim the problematic section and re-record only that segment to preserve the rest. Consider making small timing tweaks instead of full re-records to save time. Always test macros in a safe area or private match so you can refine without negative consequences or interruptions from other players.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.